Most people will retire broke. The ones who won't stopped trusting old advice and started using AI while everyone else was still guessing. Here's the reality. 56% of Americans have less than $10,000 saved for retirement. And if you're 50 with little to nothing, traditional advice isn't going to save you. Cutting one coffee a day won't close a $500,000 retirement gap. You need a smarter system. This is where AI changes everything. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini aren't just for writing emails. They can act as your personal financial analyst. And the best part? They're free or close to it. No $300 an hour advisor, no confusing jargon, just answers built around your actual life. Here are 3 things AI can do for your finances right now. Number 1, budget audit. Paste your last 3 months of expenses into ChatGPT and ask it to find waste and categorize your spending. Most people find $200 to $400 they didn't know they were losing. Number 2, retirement gap analysis. Tell the AI your age, income, current savings, and when you want to retire. It will calculate exactly how much you need to save monthly to get there. Number 3, investment guidance. Ask AI to explain low-risk investment options for someone your age. It will break down index funds, Roth IRAs, and catch-up contributions in plain English. People using AI for personal finance are reporting saving an extra $300 to $500 per month, not by earning more, but by finally seeing where their money was quietly disappearing. One prompt, 5 minutes, real results. Here's a prompt you can use right now. Open ChatGPT and type, I am 50 years old, I earn $60,000 a year, I have $8,000 saved, and I want to retire at 65. Build me a realistic monthly savings plan and tell me the top 3 things I should do immediately. That's it. Try it tonight. Look, the financial system was never designed to make you wealthy. It was designed to make advisors wealthy. AI flips that. For the first time, you have access to the same level of financial analysis that used to cost thousands of dollars. Sitting in your pocket, available 24/7, and completely personalized to you. If this helped you, subscribe to YouTube, Chart Money Blueprint for Life. Every week I break down exactly how to use AI to build wealth, cut costs, and retire on your terms. Part 2 drops this week with the top 5 AI finance tools ranked. The algorithm replaced your advisor. Now use it.